In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an automation in Smartsheet using a template in your project sheet. First, open your Smartsheet workspace and navigate to your main project sheet. This is the sheet where you track your project tasks, statuses, and owners. Make sure you're in the grid view so you can see all your columns clearly, especially the status column, since we'll be using that in the automation. Once your sheet is open, look towards the top of the screen for the automation menu. Go ahead and click on Automation. This is where Smartsheet lets you build workflows that run automatically, so you don't have to manually send updates or reminders. In the Automation menu, choose the option to create from a template. Using a template is helpful because it gives you a pre-built structure you can quickly adapt instead of building a workflow from scratch. When the list of templates appears, click on the one that's highlighted in your view. This is the template we'll be using as the base for our workflow. Then, click on Use Template to load it into the workflow editor. You'll now see the workflow layout. The first thing we want to do is define which field will trigger this automation. Click on Select a Field, and from the list of columns, choose Status. This tells Smartsheet that changes to the status column are what we care about for this workflow. Next, we want to specify which status value should trigger it. Click on Add a Value, and then select In Progress. This means that whenever a row's status changes to in progress, the automation will run. This is perfect for notifying people as work actually begins. Now we'll choose who should be notified. Click on the area that says Add a Name or Email and select the appropriate contact or email address from the list. In your own sheet, choose the relevant stakeholder, such as a project manager or team lead. Using contacts already stored in Smartsheet helps keep things consistent and reduces typing errors. In the workflow, you'll see a section that defines what happens if approved or under a specific condition. Click on that highlighted section so you can add an action. Then click on Add an Action and choose the option to alert people about rows on your sheet. This means they'll receive an update that includes the row details so they can see exactly which task has moved to in progress. You'll repeat that same pattern for any additional condition blocks you see in the workflow. Click on the highlighted area, choose Add an Action, and again select Alert People about rows on your sheet. This lets you set up multiple alerts based on different branches of the workflow if needed. When everything looks correct and you've confirmed the field, value, recipients, and actions, go to the top or bottom right of the workflow editor and click Save. This activates your automation. From now on, whenever a task's status is set to In Progress, Smartsheet will automatically send the alerts you've configured, helping your team stay informed without extra manual work.